Anyway, I don't like the way this video is going. I just don't. Just not feeling it today. Yeah, I'm just rotating my tires, by the way. Want to check out the brakes and stuff in the front. I did the brakes on the rear a few weeks ago, or put new drums in. I just thought I'd show you this kit here. Somebody asked me if I was running the Rancho quick lifts. No, these aren't Rancho quick lifts. These are Rancho RS 9000 XLs struts with the Old Man Emu 886 coils. SPC upper control arms and Tim brand bump stops. That's it. Works for me. And by the way, I got the heavy springs, which are the 886, and I'm running I find the Rancho set on, I'm running them on 8 right now. I only got one more settings. Pretty firm, but it handles really good off-road. I mean, I don't have to worry about it bouncing as much as it did with the Old Man Emus or the Rancho 5100s. Alright, one more thing I wanted to check out. I just want to check out the suspension components, you know, make sure everything's nice and tight. Brakes are still good. The wheels look round, you know. Yeah. Now on this side, I've already replaced one tie rod. The whole linkage, I forget what you call it, but yeah, this has been done already. It had a little play on this side. So let's check out the other side. I like to get up and take off places, so I gotta make sure this truck has everything on there, you know. The brakes still look good. I replaced the CV joints on this side already, the axle. Brake lines look good. Yeah, this is the new axle on this side. Everything looks okay. Very good. What I like about these Rancho struts is that they have an internal bump stop in there, so when it fully extends, it's not that harsh like on the 5100s, like on the Bilstien 5100s, or the Old Man Emus actually go clunk clunk when they top out. So these have an internal bump stop in them, and they also have a fatter bushings on them on the top. So this bushing is compressed right now about half of what it normally is. So that takes up a lot of that force there. Yeah. A lot of the impact when it fully extends the way it is right now. So all that looks good. I'll rotate them tires, gotta pull that one off, and that's about it. Okay, hey, one more thing. You know, I'm always getting questions on shock absorbers. I mean, there's all kinds of personal preferences to shock absorbers and what you're looking for, and there's differences between coilovers and struts and spring rates and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just showing you what's worked for me so far without spending a whole lot of money. So I'm running these right in the front. I'm running the Struts, the Rancho RS 9000 XLs in the front, and I actually bought these for the rear, but these are only 22 inches. These are the factory length, 22-inch long. I want as much travel as I can get on this truck. So what I'm running right now is 24. Alright, so yeah, so what I'm running in the back is this brand right here. I ran these on my Bronco. In fact, I still got them on the Bronco. Very inexpensive. They're a foam cell shock. They're not gas pressure, they're foam cell. They work fine. Nothing wrong with them. They're much bigger than the Ranchos, I'll tell you that. They're thicker, they're wider. Even the shafts are thicker. I'm not going to take this boot off, but yeah, Well, you can see right in there, the shaft's a whole lot bigger than the Ranchos. And I can get them in any length I want. So, as I said, I was looking for 24s. Dodge Tech had them. So that's what I'm running on there. But I was going to match the front. I like the way the struts are working in the front, so I ordered these from Rancho, or full parts, but they're only factory length. They're 22 inches long, full extension. I go, oh crap! I want at least 24s, and they didn't have 24s, so I was gonna get the Bilstien 5100s. Okay, they make an extended length shock for the Tacoma. So I went over to four-wheel parts. I told, hey man, I want some longer Ranchos, but they don't make them. So you know, give me credit on these. Get me some 5100s, right? The extended length 5100. I think they're 5125s or something. He says, yeah, okay, but it'll take about a month to get those. I'm like, a month? So I said, go ahead and order them because I wanted credit for these, you know. They'll take these back and give me credit for them, but shit, it's been over a month, haven't heard from them. Dang it. I don't want them that bad anyway, so there, huh? You know, I could have got them from Summit Racing because I did check out Summit Racing. Summit Racing had them in stock, ready to ship. But you know what? I really don't need to spend the money on that. The ones I got are fine. They're doing their job. They're not leaking. Nothing. No complaints. I just wanted to try something else. And it costs money to do that, so I don't need to do that. Oh. I still got a little rumbling feeling. Kind of a vibrate, more of like a rumble when I make a right turn. I figured it could be the front wheel bearings. I don't know. I don't see nothing loose like on a regular car. But so I tried ordering some. Summit Racing has them from Dorman Products. So I ordered those. Those things that were back ordered like a whole month. So I just canceled those. I mean, I can get them somewhere else. So anyway, yeah. So that's what happened to the front wheel bearings. I'd like to have the whole hub assembly, just in case they do go out on me somewhere. I can got them and I can change them on the trail, but I'll have to get them somewhere else. And that was another $200 something, almost $300 for two hub assemblies, hub bearing assemblies. I just canceled that order too. I said, hey, you know what? Screw it. I don't need them after all. If it's going to take more than a month, they were back ordered. So far it's held up. Don't got money to be blowing right now just on anything. I'm still paying for my drone. Easy payment plan.